I just got registered on Glamour, and within 1 week of registration, I've already made over 1.1 million naira. And in this video, I'll be making a live withdrawal on my account. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you see how this actually happened. And at the end of the video, you'll be getting a full tutorial guide on how to get registered on the Glamour platform, activate your account, and start earning like I am currently doing. Welcome everyone, this is Koji, and in this video I'll be making a live withdrawal of 1.1 million from my Glamour dashboard right here. Now Glamour is a platform that enables you to earn money through performing simple remote jobs from the comfort of your home with your smartphone, and I was able to accumulate over 1.1 million on this platform from doing jobs and other activities on the platform. And in this video I'll be making a live withdrawal for you guys to see that it is actually paying. Now as you can see, I have over 1.1 million on my account right now, which I'll be making the withdrawal on this video, so make sure you stick to the end of the video. Alright, so this is 1.1 million naira. I'll put in my pin right here. After putting in my pin, my withdrawal will come through. Alright, as you can see right here, withdrawal successful. This is 550 euros, which is equivalent to 1.1 million in naira. And yeah, I made this withdrawal to my Access Bank account, which I'll be showing you guys the proof of withdrawal when it comes into my account. Alright, as you can see right here, it came in within few hours, and this is the withdrawal. You can see 1.1 million received from Glamour right here. This is my account, as you can see, and this is the 1.1 million. So if you're looking for a business model that will enable you earn money with your smartphone for doing remote jobs and using AI, then I suggest you join Glamour right now. You can click on the link around this video to get registered and start earning. The more button right here, that's where the description is located at. You click on it and you appear in the description right now. You click on this more button again, click over here, and you have access to the registration link right here. All you have to do is to click on this registration link. It will take you to the website. Now this is the website right now. Now on this website, first thing you have to note is the registration fee, which is 14,000 naira to get registered on Glamour official website. Now on that thing you need to note is this is the top earners on this particular platform. Right, as you can see, this is me Koji right here. I've earned over 279, and as you can see, my earnings just keep increasing with time. So that's exactly what you have to take note of on this particular page. Now after doing that, you come over here and click on get access. Now you have to input your details for registration. You put your name here, you put your Gmail here, and you put your password here. After doing that, you click on register right here. So I'll do that right now and show you the next step. Alright, so I'm done with that. I'll click on register. As you can see, processing. So immediately after registration, you'll be required to log into your account. So use the same details I used as your email address and as your password while registering. So you put in the email address and the same password. After putting in all that, you click on login right here. And as you can see, you have gotten access to your account. Now if you try to earn here, it will tell you upgrade your account to unlock this feature. So you cannot earn right now, you cannot perform any job on the website right now because your account is not yet active. Now to activate your account, all you have to do is to click on this upgrade button right here. Click on it. Make sure you take note of the instructions. You have to make payment of 14,000 naira to the account details below for your registration. Now to make payment, all you have to do is to copy these details, go into your banking app and make payments. I'll do that right now and then we'll proceed. Now after doing that, after making payment, you come over here and click on I have made payment. Remember that you have 9 minutes to actually make this payment or else the time will elapse. Now after doing that, you click on I've completed payment. You appear on this place. Now you have to do is to send this message that said hi Glamour merchants, I've made payment on the website. After making payment on the website, all you have to do is to send this message. You come over here. After sending the message, you send the screenshot of your message. Immediately after sending it, the Glamour merchant will reply you immediately and get you registered on the Glamour official website. So that's exactly how you can actually get registered on the Glamour official website. After doing that, you can go ahead and go back to your account and your account will be active. So after that, your account will look something like mine right now. As you can see, I've made over 625 euros on this particular platform, which is over 1 million naira on this platform. So you can actually go ahead and make money on this website immediately after activating your account.